Here's a 2018 Audi A4 Allroad. Unleash your adventurous side in this rugged yet sophisticated all-road and surround yourself in premium luxury and cargo capability. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, Audi Drive Select Automatic with driver control suspension management, smart device navigation, dual zone climate control, adaptive suspension, parking system plus, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.